Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a blanket that I just received as a gift for we did like a Christmas party earlier in the month for work, and we did like a Yankee swap where it's kind of like you could steal gifts from people or they could steal from you, and you guys will kind of pick like a Secret Santa type of thing. And it's kind of just like a fun game to play. But anyway, this was one of the gifts that I got, this in a candle, which is perfect, and I was like really hoping no one would steal it from me because it's super comfy and perfect. I'm like such a homebody. I love to curl up with a nice blanket at the end of the day, and while I'm watching a movie, kind of just hang out on the couch with my blanket and my kitty cat. So this is a gray 100% printed on throw blanket. It's 50 by 60 inches. Pretty long. I have it the wide way, but it's like could cover my feet and almost my entire body if I have it the other way. So let me swap so you guys can see. So yeah, it could definitely cover you. Good to sleep with in the summertime too, if it's like, you know, you don't want to use a really heavy comforter or quilt or whatever. This is a nice option to have. And like I said, it's always nice to just have on the couch. You could actually lay this across the couch and it'll probably look pretty nice like that too. But it's just pretty simple, standard. Like I said, kind of matches anything. And I don't know how I guess you could just wash it in washing machine, but let's see what this says. So the tags here says 100% cotton, care instructions, machine wash cold on the gentle cycle, do not bleach, tumble dry low, do not iron, made in India. I would probably, unless you like really need to clean it, like in my case I probably would because my cat likes to get in everything, I would probably just like spot clean it if I didn't have to. But yeah, so it's a nice option. You can just put it in the gentle cycle on cold when you machine wash, so that's nice. You don't have to hand wash it or anything. It's made in India and distributed by Five Below Merchandising Incorporated, 701 Market Street, Suite 200 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19106. And you could visit at www.fivebelow.com. Item number is BA071818. So easy to care for, super soft, comfortable, nice material, light, nice to display on your couch, or you could even put this laying across your bed. Easy to store, easy to fold. And these little shingles, or whatever you want to call them, on the side are cotton too, and these kind of look nice and they're soft. So if you guys are looking for a nice throw blanket to have in the house or to just give as a gift to somebody, I definitely recommend this. So it's considered a gray 100% printed, cotton printed on throw blanket, 50 by 60 inch square. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great night, everybody.